power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK Unlimited Sport in granite crystal metallic. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, black 3-piece hardtop, rear window wiper and washer, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 40,000 miles on the odometer, audio jack input for mobile devices, SiriusXM satellite radio, command track part-time 4-wheel drive system, rear 60/40 folding seats, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6207.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.